Tips and tricks for traveling on a budget. Are you dreaming of a vacation but worried about the cost? Traveling can be expensive, but with a few budgeting tricks, you can make the most of your trip without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks for traveling on a budget. Tip number 1. The earlier you start planning your trip, the more time you have to find the best deals on flights, accommodations, and activities. Look for discounts, sales, and promotions that can save you money on your trip. Tip number 2. Be flexible with your travel dates. If you can be flexible with your travel dates, you can often find cheaper flights and accommodations. Try to avoid traveling during peak season or holidays when prices are higher. Tip number 3. Stay in budget-friendly accommodations. Hostels, homestays, and Airbnb rentals are often cheaper than hotels and can provide a more authentic travel experience. You can also save money by cooking your meals instead of eating out every day. Tip number 4. Prioritize free or low-cost activities. Look for free tours, museums, and attractions that you can visit to get a taste of the local culture without spending a lot of money. You can also explore parks and natural attractions that don't cost a thing. Tip number 5. Track your expenses. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your expenses and make sure you're staying within your budget. You can also set a daily spending limit to help you stay on track. Remember, traveling on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing the quality of your trip. With a little bit of planning and creativity, you can have an amazing vacation without breaking the bank. Happy travels! Thanks for watching.